In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sign up for a Notion account step by step, even if you've never used Notion before. Notion is an all-in-one workspace where you can manage notes, tasks, projects, documents, and even collaborate with your team in one place. Whether you're a student, creator, business owner, or just someone who wants to stay organized, Notion is an incredibly powerful tool. I'll walk you through the full sign-up process so you can get started in just a few minutes. And before we dive in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open any web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type in notion.com and press enter. This will take you to Notion's official website. Make sure you're on the correct site so you're signing up safely and securely. Once the Notion homepage loads, you'll see a clean layout that explains what Notion does and how it can help you organize your work and life. Next, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option that says Log In. Go ahead and click on Log In. Even though it says Log In, this is also where new users can create a brand new account. Clicking this will take you to the Notion Login and Sign Up page. Now, on the Login page, you'll see several ways to continue. The easiest and fastest way to sign up is by using your Google account. So click on the option that says Continue with Google. When you do this, a Google pop-up will appear asking you to choose the Google account you want to use with Notion. Select the account you prefer. After selecting your Google account, Google will ask you to confirm that you want to sign into Notion using that account. Review the information, then click Continue or Allow to move forward. This step securely connects your Google account to Notion and completes the sign-up process without needing to create a separate password. Once that's done, Notion will automatically create your account and take you into your new workspace. You may be asked a few quick setup questions, such as what you plan to use Notion for or whether you're working alone or with a team. These questions help Notion customize your experience, but you can also skip them if you want to get straight to the dashboard. At this point, your Notion account is fully set up and ready to use. You can start creating pages, adding notes, organizing tasks, and exploring templates right away. Everything is saved automatically, so you don't have to worry about losing your work. And that's it. You've successfully signed up for a Notion account using Google in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion tutorials and beginner-friendly software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.